And then you also look at some interesting things that are signs of what's happening in the space. Is when you look at cloud native ERP vendors like NetSuite or Workday, Salesforce, Acumatica, some of these cloud native providers. And when I say cloud native, I mean they were built in the cloud from the start. A lot of current ERP vendors are trying to move their on-premise systems to the cloud. And that requires a complete rewrite of the code, a complete rewrite of the applications. And so they're almost starting from scratch. Whereas the cloud native providers, the ones that started in the cloud 20 years ago or whatever it was, like for example, NetSuite actually started more like 30 years ago in the cloud. And this is way before cloud was at all a thing. You know, it wasn't widely accepted. In fact, it was kind of strange at the time. I still remember thinking it was odd. Like, why would you have your applications and your data offsite somewhere else? Now, of course, you know, you look at that and say, well, that's just the way the world works, but it didn't back then. And so when NetSuite came along in 1998, when Larry Ellison and Evan Goldberg were the two that started the company, they were way ahead of their time, but they're doing better now because they were so far ahead of their time that now the rest of the world is caught up and they're actually ahead because they've always been in the cloud.